Most traders see a Form 4 filing and immediately think insider buy. That reaction costs them money every single week. A Form 4 alone is not a buy signal. You have to know the codes. Today, we teach you exactly what to look for, and more importantly, what to ignore.
Let us start with Form 3, the filing most traders completely overlook. Form 3 is filed with the SEC when a person becomes an insider for the first time. A new officer, director, or someone who owns more than 10% of the company must file a Form 3 to report their initial ownership position. No transaction has happened yet. This is just reporting that they now have skin in the game. Why does this matter? When you see a Form 3 filed, add that ticker to your watch list. A new insider just reported their position. Watch what they do next. Their next move tells you whether they genuinely believe in the company. You can find Form 3 filings on SEC Edgar at sec.gov. Search the company ticker and filter by Form 3. Also available on Webull's phone app. Open the Stock, News tab, Press Release section. Both are completely free.
Now, Form 4, the most misunderstood filing in all of retail trading. Form 4 is filed with the SEC within 2 business days when an insider buys or sells company stock. Officers, directors, and anyone owning more than 10% of the company must file it. Every transaction gets reported. Here is the critical point. A Form 4 filing alone tells you nothing useful. The filing just tells you something happened. What matters is the transaction code inside the filing. Without reading the code, you are flying completely blind. Where to find Form 4 filings? SEC Edgar at sec.gov. Search the ticker and filter by Form 4. Again, you can find this form on Webull's phone app. Open the Stock, News tab, Press Release section. Free and publicly available to anyone.
Here are the transaction codes you need to know. Code P, Open Market Purchase. This is the only code that signals a genuine insider buy. The insider went to their brokerage, took out their own money, and bought shares at market price. That is conviction. That is the code you are watching for. Code S, Open Market Sale. Insiders sold shares. Not always bearish. Insiders sell for many reasons, including diversification, taxes, or personal expenses. Do not panic when you see Code S. Code A, Award or Grant. Shares given as compensation. Not a buy. The insider received these as part of their pay package. They did not spend $1 of their own money. This is the code that confuses most beginners. Code M, Option Exercise. Insider exercised stock options, often followed immediately by a Code S sale. This combination usually means they exercised options and sold right away, not a bullish signal.
If this free education is helping, hit like, share, and subscribe right now. Follow Alpha Breakout Lab for free stock alerts every week. Here is the most important warning in this entire episode. Most of the Form 4 excitement you see on social media and financial news is about RSU cash settlements, and almost all of it is wrong. An RSU, restricted stock unit, is shares given to executives and employees as compensation. This is part of their salary package. When RSUs vest, they are taxed as ordinary income. The company often withholds shares to cover the tax bill. This creates a Form 4 filing that looks like insider activity, but it is nothing more than routine compensation. What you see, CEO filed Form 4, must be buying. Reality, CEO just received their quarterly RSU vesting as part of their regular salary. They did not spend $1 of their own money. This is not a signal of any kind. The honest truth is that the vast majority of Form 4 filings that get retail traders excited are compensation events, not genuine insider buying. What actually matters? Code P only. Open market purchase. Their own money. Their own conviction.
Here is the complete strategy for using insider filings as a watchlist tool. Step 1. Spot a Form 3 filing. A new insider just reported their initial position. Add the ticker to your watch list. Step 2. Watch for a Form 4 filing on that same ticker. This is when the insider makes their next move. Step 3. Open the Form 4 and find the transaction code. Only Code P signals a genuine open market purchase with the insider's own money. Everything else, look much closer before acting. Step 4. Confirm with chart analysis. Code P is one signal, not the whole story. Combine it with support and resistance, volume, and your timeframe analysis before making any decision. Insider filings are one more tool in your kit. not a guaranteed signal on their own.
That is Form 3 and Form 4, what they actually mean and how to use them properly. Form 3, add to watch list. Form 4, check the code. Code P only, then confirm with the chart. Part 2 drops next week. We cover the 10Q and 10K earnings reports, what to look for and how they move stock prices. Like this video if it helped. Subscribe so you do not miss Part 2. Follow Alpha Breakout Lab for free stock alerts every week. Builders do not sleep until the dream is real.